Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which we will discuss about CapCut video editing. So this is the third video of CapCut video editing, and in this video I will teach you about how you can I will teach you that some basic editing tools in CapCut. So let's get started. So I am opening a CapCut app. So it is opening, just wait for some seconds. Guys, CapCut also run on very low end PC, so don't worry if you don't have any high end PC. So I click on new project, and this is the CapCut interface. Let's explore some tools on that CapCut timeline. This is the timeline window. So first of all, I would like to import some these photos, and also I'm going to desktop, video materials, and this. These are the videos. So you can drag this video on the timeline here in this way, and you can also click on plus sign, so it will automatically appear on the timeline. This is the timeline. So this is these small lines are frames, and let's explore some of the tools. So the first tool is split tool, which is also by pressing Ctrl plus B. So it splits the video into parts, or audio, or picture into parts. I will show you. Suppose we want to remove the first part, so I click on the cursor here and click on split. So as you can see, it split up the video from the first part. So I click on first part and press the delete button, so the portion is deleted. So the second one is delete. So suppose I split these into two, and then I click this one and I click on delete. So I click on this and it will delete the left side. So I click on this, and as you can see, it will delete the left side. After that, there are some more tools, like if you want to delete the video, it will delete the video. I again import it, and after that there is add marker, freeze will take a screenshot of this video, and this is now an image, and this is also a very good tool. After that, there is rotate and crop ratio. You can also crop the I only want this part, so I click on this, confirm, and as you can see, the video is cropped. So in this way you can use these some basic tools, and if you click on the lock button, so the track is locked, and now you cannot perform any action on this. So again unlock it, or you can hide track, and you can also mute clip audio if it has an audio. So this video do not have an audio, so that's why this function is not working. So that's it about some basic tools for editing in CapCut. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family, so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.